Hey everyone, welcome to the new session of Big Move Indicator. Here what I will teach you is how to apply Big Move Indicator onto your chart set. At the first, what you really have to do is you really need to connect with a broker account. Right now this is Fire, so I'm trying to connect to the broker. So you can connect whatever the broker that you have, so you can try over. So once it is connected, you have the two options. You can either see Nifty 500 stocks or you can see for the future stock. As you can see here is I have already selected a Fire. I'm in a future trade. Let me just change it to, let's say, Tata Motor, and I need a continuous signal, which is continuous symbol is there, and because of that what I need now is you cannot see anything here as of now because the indicator is not loaded. So you have to go over there, you have to type STF. You will see two indicator, STF Big Move, STF Big Move Equity. So STF Big Move is for the future, STF Big Move Equity is for the cash 500 stocks, right? Nifty 500 stocks. So I will quickly go over there. I will make some certain setting over there. For the strength I will keep this color, and for action I will keep this as a okay. Now all the color settings have been done. So what you can see here is you are three different colors. One is the yellow one or the golden one, which is been nothing but a jackpot, and then blue, that is strength, and then third is the white, which is basically an action candle. And this way pretty easily like you can install or you can show indicator onto your chart. Okay, this was quite simple. And now if I have to use cash chart, let's say cash of Tata Motor. So this is equity. So when I do equity, it won't show you anything because you didn't install or you didn't plot the indicator over there. So what you really need here is go to again STF Big Move Equity, and when you go there, the same thing, you really need to apply certain settings over there when you do that. Okay, so these settings have been done onto the cash stock as well. So see, you can see any Nifty 500 cash stock as well as you can see future stock. Based on that you can do your study according. I'll see you into the next video. That's a very small video how to apply the setting, right? In the next video I will show you how to add Big Move Indicator onto your watch list. Stay tuned.